Hey viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. At least 54 youths from Haryana have been deported from the United States after allegedly entering the nation through the illegal donkey, or also known as donkey route. The group, consisting mostly of men aged between 25 and 40, arrived at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 3 on flight OAE 4767. Police officials confirmed that the deportees were received by teams from various districts and later handed over to their families at the police lines. According to the report, 16 of the deported youths were from Karnal, 15 from Kathal, 5 from Ambala, 4 each from Yamunanagar and Kurukshetra, 3 from Jind, 2 from Sonipat and 1 each from Panchkula, Panipat, Rohtak and Fatehpur. Karnal DSP Sandeep Kumar said that all the individuals had entered the United States through the illegal donkey route, which involves a dangerous and costly journey across several nations. The police informed that the deportees were brought back safely and reunited with their families, and that no formal complaints had been received so far regarding the agents who facilitated their travel. Naresh Kumar, one of the deportees from Kathal, shared his ordeal with media persons, revealing how he sold his agricultural land and paid an agent Rs 57 lakh to reach the US through the Panama jungle route. He said that after spending 14 months in jail abroad, he was eventually deported. Naresh alleged that the agent kept extorting money from him at every stage of the journey. Rs 42 lakh initially, Rs 6 lakh in Guatemala, another Rs 6 lakh in Mexico, and the remaining amount after crossing the border. However, instead of reaching safely, he was arrested and imprisoned. Naresh appealed to the authorities to take action against such fraudulent agents and urged other youths not to take the dangerous donkey route. Kathal SP Upasana stated that all the deported individuals from her district had been handed over to their families and that police were verifying their records thoroughly. One among them was found to have a criminal background. Jind SB Kuldeep Singh confirmed that 3 local men had also been deported from the US after entering illegally. He warned that travelling abroad, though through the donkey route, is a serious criminal offence and that not only damages the reputation of the community but also endangers lives. Singh emphasized that many people who attempt such journeys suffer immense financial loss, physical abuse and sometimes even death during the process. He appealed to the residents to always use legal channels for immigration and assured that police are maintaining strict vigilance against agents or networks promoting illegal travel. Officials stated that the deportations are part of the United States' intensified crackdown on illegal immigration, a policy that has seen a rise in removals since Donald Trump abused office as US President earlier this year. The US government continues to deport individuals found violating immigration laws or residing in the country without proper authorization. In recent months, several batches of Indian nationals have been sent back from the US, Canada and other nations under similar circumstances. Authorities in Haryana have launched investigations into the local networks and agents responsible for luring unemployment youth with false promises of quick settlement abroad. Police reiterated that those involved in misleading or trafficking people through such illegal routes will face strict legal action. This incident has once again brought attention to the growing issue of illegal migration from northern India and the severe risk faced by those who fall prey to human trafficking rackets operating under the guise of immigration consultancy.
देखिए, आप लोग इसको अदरवाइज ना लेना, मुझे ध्यान में है, मैंने जब अपनी यात्राएं की थी चुनाव के दिनों में, उस समय भी मैंने कहा था कि ये जो डंकी रूट है, ये युवकों के लिए भी ठीक नहीं है, परिवारों के लिए भी ठीक नहीं है। हालांकि मुझे पता है कि इसकी आलोचना लोग करते हैं। हम चाहते हैं युवकों को रोजगार मिले, उनकी कौशल, उनकी शिक्षा ये बढ़कर के हो, लेकिन जहाँ भी कहीं विदेश में जाना है, विधिवत तौर तरीके से जाएं। हम उसमें पासपोर्ट बनाने में भी उनको सुविधा देते हैं, उनको वीज़ा लेके देने में भी सुविधा देते हैं और वहाँ प्लेसमेंट में भी। अभी फॉरेन कोऑपरेशन डिपार्टमेंट हरियाणा सरकार में जो हमने बनाया था, उसके माध्यम से इससे पहले भी काफ़ी बड़ी संख्या में लोग रोजगार के लिए जा चुके हैं। अभी भी और से रिक्वेशन आई हुई है। बहुत से केयर टेकर इनकी आवश्यकता है, ड्राइवर्स की आवश्यकता है, तरह-तरह की आवश्यकताएं वहाँ काम की पड़ती रहती हैं। मैं स्वयं विदेश में एक बार दुबई ऐसे जो एजेंट्स हैं, जो विधिवत तौर तरीके से लोगों को लेके जाते हैं, उनसे मेरी मीटिंग भी हुई थी और हमें उन्होंने कहा था कि हम देश भर से 1 लाख लोगों को यहाँ लाने के लिए तैयार हैं। शर्त यही है कि विधिवत तौर पर वो जाएं, बिना तौर तरीके से जाएंगे तो हर देश अपने अपने तरीके से काम करता है। अब हम अगर मान लो देश में इलीगल जो नागरिक हैं, जो घुसपैठ करके आए हुए हैं, उनका विरोध करते हैं, हर देश ऐसा करेगा। यहाँ भी बांग्लादेश के कितने लोग आए हुए हैं और आखिर आखिर ऐसा यार, देखिए ये मैं इस पर टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि कोई भी अगर कोई किसी देश का कोई नियम है उसका उल्लंघन करने में उनका निर्णय है। हमारे यहाँ जंजीरें हमारे लोग नहीं लगाते हैं, उनके लोग क्या करते हैं क्या नहीं करते हैं, दोषी को क्या सजा देनी है उसके बारे में टिप्पणी करना ठीक नहीं है।